Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to make this yummy nutritious fruit salad. It's so easy to make. I will also be showing you how to make this yummy, healthy, nutritious smoothie. So let me know in the comment section, are you team A, fruit salad, or team B, smoothie, or team C, you love both of them? This fruit salad recipe requires only 5 ingredients: avocado pear, watermelon, groundnuts, milk, and apples. This fruit salad recipe contains vitamins and nutrients that will help you maintain a glowing skin, healthy hair. It will also help you to boost your immune system and will keep you healthy. Kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button so that when I post new videos like this, you'll be informed. This smoothie recipe is rich in nutrients and vitamins. It will help you to maintain a glowing skin, a healthy hair, healthy heart, and also a healthy body, and to help you to boost your immune system. It has loads and loads of other amazing benefits. It is very easy to make and you just need 5 ingredients: watermelon, avocado pear, apples, groundnuts, and yogurt. Kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button so that when I post new videos like this, you'll be informed.